Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, your premier source of cryptocurrency news and insights. Today, we're going to dive into a story that's both fascinating and cautionary about James Wynn, a well-known high-leverage crypto trader who experienced one of the steepest losses of his career. James Wynn began gaining traction in the crypto trading world in 2022, during the final phase of the previous bull market. He invested $7,000 into memecoin PEPE when its market cap was just $600,000. And as the token's valuation rose to $4.2 million, Wynn employed high-frequency trading methods to eventually turn his position into $25 million. That year, he also began trading on Hyperliquid, starting with a deposit of $4.65 million in USD coin, USDC. Over the following 2 months, he executed 38 trades on the platform, focusing primarily on Bitcoin and memecoins such as PEPE, Official Trump, and Fartcoin, FARTCOIN. Wynn's strategy blends high leverage with fast execution and a sensitivity to market sentiment. He typically operates with leverage ranging from 5x to 40x, building positions in fast-moving tokens that exhibit strong momentum. Size is another defining aspect of his method. Trades often carry notional values in the millions, creating significant exposure but also increasing vulnerability. Liquidation thresholds tend to fall within a narrow 2–3% range below the entry price, meaning a minor market drop can result in massive losses within minutes. Wynn also integrates social media into his trading playbook, regularly sharing his positions and real-time updates on X, using transparency to build credibility and influence market psychology. Now, let's take a look at what happened when Bitcoin didn't follow the script for James Wynn. Over the span of 7 days, he lost more than $60 million through a series of high-leverage Bitcoin trades on Hyperliquid. The sequence began on May 19, when Wynn opened a 40x long position of 5,520 BTC at $103,302, placing his liquidation level at $98,294. He expanded the position to 7,764 BTC on the following day, raising the notional value to $830 million. His new average entry moved to $105,033, narrowing the buffer between market price and liquidation, now set at $100,330. As Bitcoin touched $111,900, unrealized gains peaked at $39 million. However, momentum reversed quickly. On May 23, a 4% drop brought Bitcoin down to $106,700 following President Trump's announcement of a 50% tariff on European Union imports. Wynn responded by closing a separate Pepecoin, PEPE, position on May 24 with a $25.18 million gain. He then raised his Bitcoin long to 11,588 BTC at $108,243, placing his new liquidation level at $105,180. That decision proved costly. On May 25, he exited at $107,746, booking a $13.39 million loss. The next morning, he shifted to a short strategy on May 25, scaling his Bitcoin short to 7,967.83 BTC, valued at $856 million, with a liquidation price set at $111,280. He later exited over $1 billion worth of BTC short positions on May 26, recording a loss of approximately $15.87 million over a 15-hour span. He also closed his Ethereum, ETH, and Sway longs during the week, taking an additional $5.3 million in losses. The total drawdown over 7 days reached $60 million. Wynn acknowledged the setback in a post on May 26, noting that despite the losses, his account still held $25 million in profit from an original base of $4 million. As always, trade wisely and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thank you for joining us at Bitcoin Bulletin, and we'll see you in the next video.